Jack and the Beanstalk. Once upon a time, there was a poor boy called Jack and his mother. They had no money.
We are hungry. We must sell the cow.
Moo!
So Jack goes to the market. On his way, he meets a man.
Hello, Jack.
Hello.
Here are 5 magic beans for your cow.
Well, okay.
Jack goes home and shows his mother the beans.
Beans? You silly boy. Go to bed.
Jack's mother throws the beans out of the window.
Good night.
During the night, the beans grow and grow and grow. In the morning, Jack looks out of the window.
Wow, what's that? I must climb it.
Jack climbs up the beanstalk. At the top, he sees
A castle, a kitchen, and an apple pie. Yummy.
Jack sits down and eats.
What's that noise? It's a giant!
Jack hides under the table. A giant and his wife come in. The giant sniffs the air.
Fee, fi, fo, fum. I smell the blood of an Englishman.
Darling, have your breakfast.
The giant sits down and eats. Jack runs away. The next day, Jack climbs up the beanstalk again.
The castle, the kitchen, and a cherry pie? Yummy!
Jack sits down and eats.
The giant!
Jack hides under the table. The giant and his wife come in. The giant sniffs the air.
Fee, fi, fo, fum. I smell the blood of an Englishman.
Darling, have your breakfast.
The giant sits down and eats. Jack runs away. The next day, Jack climbs up the beanstalk again.
The castle, the kitchen, and a banana pie? Yummy!
Jack sits down and eats.
The giant!
Jack hides under the table. The giant and his wife come in. The giant sniffs the air.
Fee, fi, fo, fum. I smell the blood of an Englishman.
Darling, have your breakfast.
I want to count my gold first.
The giant gets his bag of gold and starts to count.
1, 2, 3.
Then the giant falls asleep. Jack takes the gold and runs away.
I'll take some of the gold for my mum and me.
The giant wakes up.
Fee, fi, fo, fum. I smell the blood of an Englishman, and I'm very hungry.
Jack climbs down the beanstalk. The giant runs after him. Jack takes his knife and cuts down the beanstalk. The giant falls down and dies.
Look, Mum. Look what I've got.
Gold, gold, lots of gold.
Now we can buy a new cow.
And I'll make a big pie just for you, Jack.
Jack and his mother were rich now, and they lived happily ever after.